Who is that guy inside him? Did I just interrupted him? No, I don't like that. Ooh. Okay. That can be my name for now. Oh yeah. Why is that cussing daddy? I'm joining. That okay. And this one seems trustful. Okay. I'm yellow. Yellow is trash. Rather be green. Sorry for the noise. I'm a crewmate. Okay. Is there anything in here I need to do? Yeah, there actually is. Go grab a coffee. Where do I go grab a coffee? I'm guessing a cafeteria though? Where would I? Where would the heck would a coffee be? Oh god, I didn't even realize. Where is this oxygen depleted? Oh, we're good. We're good. Okay, where's the electrical room? Okay. Oh, I thought I just died. Okay, I was in upper and okay. I like Cheetos. His name is Cheetos. How that's so funny. I'm not skipping. I don't like this guy. Okay, he talked once. I don't like that. Whoa. Don't say that. Oh. No one was addicted. Why? There's like this ruffling or whatever in the background. Oh. That was me, by the way. Need to go to electrical because there's like 5 million tasks there. Okay, let's do this. I like this one because it's the easiest task. Alright. Now I need to go here. Oh. Wait, it was whoever just walked out of the room, but I wasn't paying attention. Crap. In storage. Body was in storage. Oh, I said in body is in storage. Now that sounds weird, but whatever. They probably got the point. I think it was pink. I don't know, though. green was overhead. Boy, what? What? I was not. Okay, well, you guys at least know that I'm not an imposter. No, not me, please. There you go. No. Yes, skip, please. Actually, well, I don't know, dude. Whatever. They probably all voted me, though. Oh, God. Okay, let's see. Oh, my God, it was a tie. Oh, thank God. Okay. Okay, let's go do some tasks. Oh, it's blue. It's way blue. I don't even know. Cheetos, it kills me. Okay. This again? What the heck? Okay. Come on, go quicker. Oh my God. Hello? We good? Okay. Now we need to do. Oh my God, I'm almost done with all the tasks. There's one more in medbay. Come on, come on, come on. We got this. I got this. Frick! No. Take a break. No! I can't take. We're literally almost done. Come on. Literally, get away. Stupid pink. I don't like pink. Hiding. Can this go any quicker? I don't like this. Just go any quicker, please. Oh, we're almost done with the task. Come on. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!